Hello everybody, my name is Faye, but today we'll be talking about grammar. Grammar? What are grammars? If you are learning English, then probably grammar is something that you could never forget in your English learning journey, and every time when you talk English or any other language. Well, grammar comes in a lot of parts. That helps you in a lot of topic in just one language. Like in grammar of English, you can find out in grammars there could be idioms, there could be syntax, there could be preparation, there could be adverbs, adjectives, different kinds of present, past tense, different kind of tenses, and all of those is something that you must know, especially if you want to become like a master in English. You have to be master at these grammars first. Well, we're going to be looking through these grammars things. First, inside learning grammar, if you don't remember something called the rules of English, you failed learning it. Sometimes you learn grammar. It says subject plus verb plus subject. She plays with him. She play football. Now inside the sentence, you have followed the rules. She as the subject, played as the verb, and football as the object. It doesn't matter if it really is words that can be different. Like you can change the word football into basketball. If it follow the rules, if that would follow those rules, that sentence, it is correct. And especially if that fits into what you're talking about. If you want to describe a girl who's tall and beautiful, but you describe her ugly and short, is that still something that really matters? If your grammar rules are correct and you pronounce correctly? Yeah. In grammars, there's a lot of rules. There could be rules for nouns, like regular nouns, noun that uses an es or s, or irregular nouns, noun that needs to be changed or needs to use some kinds of rules that is not anything related to others. To make it plural, I don't know, but grammar has a lot of rules. Next, grammar also defined in languages. If you're learning grammar, you would say, you eat rice. But in Japanese, you say, you rice eat. Yeah. If you 100% just search on a dictionary, each word inside a sentence of Japanese, then you put it together, it's going to be like that. Like it's really strange, so you must remember the grammar rules. In different languages too. Not every language has the same structure. Next, speech part. Pronounce grammar great. And in grammars, you can find idioms, words that doesn't have a literal meaning. Like if I said, Kenna has fallen in love with me. With me. Well, does that really mean that Kenna has fallen into a hole of love with Miana together? No, it means Kenya has loved Miana. Yeah, sometimes it could be like that. Or sometimes it could just have a literal meaning. Like if you say he wakes up, then he wakes up. But sometimes if you say he wakes up, it means he comes up to a concert, or maybe he comes up into a band and perform. Yeah, so you must find out the meanings and find out the definitions in different kinds of grammar structures. Next, you must understand grammars a lot. If you don't understand it, how can you use English? Even the sentence of saying, I am dot dot dot, like I am Kenna, I am Yami, is also using grammar. And then every time when you talk English, you could meet grammar in nearly every sentence. Next, you could find out preposition words. Preposition words are words that tell us about a place of a noun. If I say at, it is a preposition. If I say on, it is a preposition. If I say in, it is a preposition. But what if I say above? Yes, it is a preposition. What about if I say for? Sometimes you guys would think that it's not a preposition. I once have think so. And now it is a preposition. Okay? And there's different ways for you to learn grammar. You can learn by a website, like on YouTube. You can find videos about grammar teachings on a website like Grammar for Fun or Practices Problems about grammar. You could learn it inside usual school. Like at school, if your school has that English subject, then you could be teach grammar for maybe a little bit, but still it's great enough for you to use. You could learn it in books. And you could read sentences that have grammar every time in books. Or there could be books that teach about grammar too. Why not? Or you could learn it by communication. Talk. And if you talk, you focus more about what you're talking about. If you want to talk about yesterday morning, well, maybe your best friend comes and gives you some cookies. You want to say that, but you don't know the grammar of the past tense or anything. Well, you can't talk. In communications, you must know grammars too to talk. Well, you see, today we've discovered about grammar. Grammar is not something that's important in this English language. You could find it important in every language that you could learn, like Japanese, Vietnamese, Korean, and a lot more. Well, you guys know what? It's time to say goodbye. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.